Alright, this training is on how to use Overage Research Bot. I'm using the developer version, so you won't see this part. All you see is this little part here, okay? So what you want to do is go over here and enter your license. Once you have entered your license, hit activate. Once you do that, the research tab should appear. And then once that's done, click on launch browser. And the browser will launch. Somewhere. Oh, it should, I'll launch here. Hold on. Alright, so the browser did launch, and this is the browser right here, okay? Now it's gonna put Texas right away, and this thing is kind of popped up, so it kind of blocked it. So, anyways, just skip it, close it, whatever. And then you want to make sure that you get into this screen over here. Now you have to log in, because once you log in, you get more data rather than the current data. You get to see old, sold data. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in real quick. I'll put my stuff. And I need to copy my password, so let me go grab that somewhere. Copy password. Okay. So I'm gonna go back over here and log in. So I don't have a login built in yet, so you're gonna have to do it manually for now. And once you're in, then you'll be able to see and filter more properties. I think that's the thing. I start seeing more properties. Then you search again. 4009. I don't know if it actually gives you more properties, but anyways, you probably need to click sold, pending, and cancel. Otherwise, you get all these other junk, I guess. But we're mainly interested in properties that are already sold. So let's click on that. And we have 4,953 properties now, so I think that's probably what it is. It's just that gives you 5,000 properties. So then once you've done that, then you want to go into the file that that you launched the bot in, and there's this thing called states.txt. So you want to add like another state or whatever, Arizona, California, New York. You're gonna have to put that all here, okay? And then you'll save the file. Now each of them has a lot of files already, so you might want to even do one at a time because there's just so many, right? And it'll take a while for it to load. So let's say I'm gonna do I don't know, let's just do Arizona. Let's just do Florida. Alright, so I'll save that. And then once you do that, we're gonna click the other bot, this other button here, and it is this one. Then you click find overages, and what it'll do is it's gonna type Florida, and then it's gonna look through all the properties here. It's 3,082 properties. It's gonna look through them. If it's sold to third party, it'll save it into a text file. Okay, then I'll go back, look for the next one, check it, see what it is, and it'll basically save all the third-party type properties. Okay, and into this file that's over here called. I think I put it into the overage leads. I think it's in this one. Hold on a second. It's here. Okay. Alright, so I didn't let me open as a text file. Alright, so there it is. These are two Florida properties so far. If it finds any more, it'll say. Now I think the number is supposed to be 100,000. Let me see why it's $100. That doesn't look right. Opening, yeah. So opening bid's $100, and it got sold. So I'm sure there's some overages there. They start their opening bids pretty low, but I don't know if these are actual. It should be the overage amount of the balance of the mortgage. So it's interesting that their bid's so low. So we'll probably need to double check on that. Some Texas, it actually shows a much higher number, but a lot of these are all very low opening bids here. So I don't know if it's just a tax lien or whatever, or if If it doesn't sell for that much, then this is what they get instead. So I'm sure that some people will probably bid it all the way up to the resale value. But anyways, I don't know if that's helpful, but anyways, these are all sold to third parties in Florida. Okay, now different states will be a little different, and we go from there. Okay, so it's gonna reload it on this one. You see that more is popping up now, and then you can get this list either parsed out. And if you do comma delimited, it's gonna separate all these. Florida is not separated with a comma, so I might have to do something about that later on. So this is just a preliminary for now to just pull a list, and you have to do some manual research to find out what the overage amount actually, the actual amount. So Florida might not be a good one because they're all minimum bids of $100. I'm not sure why. We'll need to look into it later. But that's how the bot works. Okay, so just kind of find that file and go from there. Now, if you want to stop the bot, I need to build that in actually. So there'll be a button, there'll be a checkbox later on after this video. Somewhere here that says stop searching or something like that. And once you click that checkbox, it'll stop searching. Alright, thanks for watching. Go from there.